Lexus has one of the strongest reliability reputations in the entire auto industry. Some people even say if it has an L badge, it'll outlive you. But here's the truth most buyers don't hear. Not every Lexus is bulletproof, and a few models can turn into very expensive mistakes. So today, we're counting down the 5 most reliable Lexus models you can safely buy used, and 5 Lexus models you should absolutely avoid if you care about long-term ownership. Stay until the end, because the worst Lexus ever made might surprise you. Number 10. Most reliable. Lexus LX. All generations. Used price, $22,998 to $129,500. If durability were a competition, the Toyota Land Cruiser would be on the podium every single time. And the Lexus LX? That's a Land Cruiser with leather seats, wood trim, and better sound insulation. All 3 LX generations, LX 470, J100, LX 570, J200, LX 600, J310, are known for being nearly indestructible. But the first generation LX 470 deserves special attention. Why? Because it has fewer electronics, simpler mechanical systems, a naturally aspirated V8, and proven off-road durability. Owners regularly report 300,000 to 500,000 miles with routine maintenance. This is the kind of SUV you buy once and then hand down to your kids. Number 9. Stay away. 2007 Lexus ES 350 sedans. Typical 2007 Lexus ES 350 sedans range in price from approximately $3,950 to $13,000, with an average listing price around $7,000 to $8,000. Now we shift gears. The 2007 Lexus ES 350 represents one of the lowest points in Lexus history. The most infamous issue? Melting interiors. Dashboards, door panels, center consoles, they would turn sticky, warp, melt, and degrade badly over time, and Lexus didn't stop there. Owners also reported oil leaks, electrical problems, steering wheel material failure, premature engine issues. For a brand built on refinement, this was unacceptable. Even today, many owners say this was the first Lexus they ever regretted buying. Number 8. Most reliable. Lexus LX 400. Used Lexus LX 400 models generally range from approximately $3,000 to over $15,000, with exceptional low-mileage examples under 50,000 miles, occasionally reaching near $28,000. Prices heavily depend on condition and model year, 1990 to 2000, with many solid higher-mileage examples priced between $5,000 and $10,000. This is where Lexus changed the world. When the LS 400 launched, it didn't just compete with Mercedes-Benz, it forced Mercedes to rethink everything. Why? Because Lexus delivered V8 smoothness, whisper-quiet cabins, tank-like reliability, and near-perfect build quality. Owners still describe the LS 400 as the most reliable car they've ever owned. Some examples have crossed 1 million miles. That's not hype, that's engineering. If you want to understand why Lexus has its reputation, this is ground zero. Number 7. Stay away. 2007 Lexus LS 460. Used 2007 Lexus LS 460 prices generally range from $2,250 to over $10,000, with a typical average price around $5,700 to $9,500, depending on mileage, condition, and location. On paper, This looks like a steal, a flagship luxury sedan for the price of a used Camry. But the 2007 LS 460 comes with serious warnings. Common issues include melting dashboards and armrests, faulty brake actuators, electrical malfunctions, extremely expensive repairs. Once these systems fail, repair costs can exceed the value of the car. This is one of those vehicles that looks affordable until you own it. Number 6. Most reliable. Lexus LS 5th Generation. Used 5th generation Lexus LS 500 sedans generally range from approximately $37,000 to over $70,000, heavily influenced by model year, mileage, and trim level. Early 2018 to 2019 models often sit in the $37,000 to $45,000 range, while 2021 to 2022 models can command closer to $43,000 to $50,000 plus. Fast forward to modern Lexus. The 5th generation Lexus LS is a major redemption story. It earned 83 out of 100 from J.D. Power and 5 out of 5 satisfaction from Consumer Reports. Owners praise hybrid powertrain reliability, excellent ride comfort, strong long-distance performance, much lower repair costs than German rivals. If you want S-Class comfort without S-Class headaches, this LS is a smart buy. Number 5. Stay away. 2009 Lexus RX 350. Used 2009 Lexus RX 350 models typically range in price from approximately $3,900 to $13,000, with an average listing price around $8,500 to $8,600. The RX is usually one of Lexus's safest bets, but not this year. The 2009 RX 350 suffers from massive oil leaks, oil pressure loss, steering rack failures, and high repair costs. Many owners reported repairs costing more than the vehicle was worth. There are excellent years for the RX. This just isn't one of them. Number 4. Most reliable. Lexus LC 500. Used Lexus LC 500 prices range from approximately $45,000 to over $120,000, depending on the model year, 2018 to 2025, mileage, and whether it is a coupe or convertible. Early higher mileage models, 2018 to 2019, generally trade between $45,000 and $70,000, while 2021 to 2022 models, especially convertibles, can typically be priced from $43,000 to over $100,000. Grand Tourers are supposed to be beautiful, powerful, and expensive to maintain. But the Lexus LC 500 breaks that rule. With a naturally aspirated V8, exceptional build quality, and 5 out of 5 reliability and satisfaction scores. It's arguably the most reliable GT car ever made. This is Lexus showing the world that performance and dependability can coexist. Number 3. Stay away. 2006 Lexus GX 470. Used 2006 Lexus GX 470 prices generally range from $4,000 to over $20,000, with an average price around $13,000 to $14,000. This one surprises many buyers. Based on the Land Cruiser Prado, expectations were sky high. But the 2006 GX 470 had clunky engine behavior, drivetrain issues, lower than expected reliability scores. Not disastrous, but disappointing enough to choose another year instead. Number 2. Most reliable. Lexus LFA. Used price. Used Lexus LFA prices typically range from approximately $650,000 to over $1 million, with many standard models selling in the $700,000 to $800,000 range. Yes, a supercar, and somehow one of the most reliable Lexus vehicles ever built. The LFA had unlimited development time, no cost cutting, Formula One level engineering. Despite its performance, many LFAs have high mileage, something almost unheard of for supercars. This is what happens when reliability matters more than profit. Number 1. Worst Lexus model ever. 2007 Lexus IS 250. Used price: $4,950 to $13,500. Here it is, the worst Lexus ever made. The 2007 IS 250 combined melting dashboards and panels, electrical gremlins, poor reliability ratings, high owner dissatisfaction. Compared to other IS models, this one stands out, for all the wrong reasons. If there's one Lexus you should avoid at all costs, this is it. Lexus has earned its reputation, but even the best brands make mistakes. If you're buying used, focus on proven generations. Avoid known problem years, and don't assume every Lexus is flawless. Comment below, which Lexus do you own and how reliable has it been? Like the video if this saved you from a bad purchase. Subscribe for more best and worst years breakdowns. See you in the next one.